Hello, so in this video we're going to be looking at the remainder theorem. Now the remainder theorem is about what's left over after dividing, i.e. the remainder. So what does the remainder theorem say? The remainder theorem says if f of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder is f of a. So that means when you substitute whatever if this was 2 here, you would find the value of your function when x equals 2. So here's an example. So find the remainder when f of x equals all of this is divided by x plus 2. So first of all, to find the remainder, we look here. We need f at a, where a will be given from here. So we compare this with this, and hopefully you can see that a must equal minus 2, because x minus minus 2 will give me x plus 2. That's actually the hardest thing, is not getting the signs wrong in these questions. Okay, so then we substitute our f on minus 2 into here, so x equals minus 2. So we've got minus 2 cubed plus 5 times minus 2 squared plus 2 times minus 2 plus 1. When you sort all that out, you end up with 9. So our remainder is 9. Okay, so you can also get questions which are about finding a missing coefficient. So this time we're given the remainder, so we know what the remainder is, and we need to find a missing coefficient. Now, coefficient's the number in front of the power of x. So here's x squared, so we're missing the coefficient of x squared. So what are we given? We're given the remainder is 7, so we know the remainder equals 7. And we know that remainder is given by f acting on a, so f of a. But what is a? So like before, we have this is x plus 2, and then by comparison with our x minus a, we can see that a must equal minus 2. So we just put x equals minus 2 in here, and then we sort it all out and we get this. Do a little bit of reorganization, and we end up with 4p equals 4, so p equals 1. So we found the missing coefficient p equals 1. Now just an extension, when we did the factor theorem, if you remember, it was extended to include fractions, and it's the same with the remainder theorem. So if f of x is divided by something like this, ax minus b, then the remainder is given by substituting that fraction into your function. So the remainder when f of x is divided by 2x minus 3 will be given by substituting 3 over 2 into your fraction. Again, you just have to be careful that you get this all the right way round, which are your a's and which are your b's. The notation, as I've said before, I think can be confusing on this. But a clever way of thinking about it is what value would make, x value would make that go to 0. The x value to make this go to 0 would be 3 over 2. And that's a fraction that you use. So hopefully that's helpful. Thank you. Bye.